What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to show you the before and after pictures of an air handler that we installed in a house that was in an arson fire. Plus, we're going to show you my new drone. This is my first time flying the F100 Drone, and I got some good video flying over the hood. So take a look. I also want to show you the damage that happened after the fact. And I'm going to leave a link in the description below, so if you want to buy one, you can. Thanks, and stay tuned. Man, that was a landing. Okay, but now back to work. Here is what the unit looks like once we've been finished. But now here's what it looks like before we started. And this place was bad because, like I said before, it was in an arson fire. All right, so a couple of still shots of what it looks like as we're getting right into it. We'll do a little dismantling here. Now, mind you, this video was not really about the work we're doing, so get ready for a time lapse. All right. This video is about when you flying around the drone. So, here we go. Here we go. More work. Okay, last round. Let's do this. Alright, enough is enough. Anyway, here's what it looked like before we started. And here's what it looks like after the fact. Now, thanks for sticking around. I want to show you the damage that my drone took on while flying around through the hood. Nothing. This thing is actually really tough, but if you can't see right here around the propellers, they do get beat up. So if you do decide to get one, use these guards. And thanks for tuning in. Check out the next video. I'm gonna need you to hit the like button. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know how you feel. Leave a comment if this is something that you don't mind buying, because it's gonna cost about $170. Thanks so much, and stay tuned for the next video.